Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Okay. For whom he is doing? For that? 100 employees in Germany. Got it. That is, he understood the difference between granted population and the target population. Yes, okay. And the role? Role means what is the role? Means you have a edit permission, you have a change permission, you have a view permission. That is defined in the role. Okay. Correct. So again, when I scroll down permission rule. Permission rule is what it defines a set of permissions and grant these permissions to the permission groups or the role types. Again, I will repeat. It defines a set of permission, some set of permission, and grant these permissions, and granting this permission to the permission group. Okay. Or roles such as employee or the manager. Okay. Got it. So you are setting up a permission and granting that permission to a group. And I told you, you are running a payroll to executives. So payroll executives are kept in a group that is a payroll group. Right. So you are giving a permission to whom? To the payroll group. When you are giving a permission to payroll group, how many people are there that, by default, those permission will be applicable to them? Yes. It means a particular department or particular division. We have to give permission like that. Yes. It can be. It can be. It can be okay. So I am creating a permission role. Permission role is something like creating a set of permissions. Permissions means what if I am giving a permission to you, to what you can view, what you cannot view. Right. You open a screen. When you click on the tab, it will say that you do not have the necessary permission. It means you are unable to access it. In a simple term, if payroll is there, PMS department is different. Which kind of requirement they have? We have to give permission role for that department. Exactly. Suppose if a payroll guy, why he needs to have a permission for the recruitment? Right. Okay. Recruitment means the recruitment person will get the permission which is related to the recruitment tab. So payroll guy will not be involved into the recruitment. Right. Yes. Now we have got the difference between the granted population and the target population. And we also understood what is a permission role. Okay. So let me go down further. So when you go down in the RBP, that is role-based permission, we have 5 configuration tools. Okay. So when you go into the role-based permission in the admin center, there are 5 configuration tools. So, first of all, where we can access this RBP tool. Where we can access this RBP tool in the front-end system. Right. Admin Center. That is, in the instance system. Whatever access we are getting now, are you able to see my screen right now? Yes. When you see the screen, this is the front-end system. Right. This is the instance system. Correct. So this instance system which we are seeing here, we need to get the permissions. Okay. Where we will get the permissions when you go into the admin center. Okay. So when you go into the admin center, let me log in. Go into the admin center, scroll down. Okay. You have this option section set user permission. Okay. So in the admin center the set user permission is coming only when we are enabling the RBP from the provisioning. Okay. So if you are enabling the RBP from the provisioning, then only this option will be coming. So, if you remember, when we started with Introduction to Mastery, there also I told you from the provisioning what are the things which we need to enable. Language Pack RBP, if you recall. Do you recall? Yes. Okay, so for that also, we need to enable the role-based permission from the provisioning. Once you enable the role-based permission from the provisioning, then only this option will come in the front end. Okay. And now when this option will come in the front end, under this you have the configuration tools. Okay, so this configuration tool includes permission, group, permission role, user role search and user permission. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 more. Permission is there. That is called as a managed role-based permission access. This one managed role-based permission. Total 5 configuration tools will be there. Okay. So once you are getting your super admin means you will be getting all the 5 configuration tools available here. Okay. Available here. Now, if any of your team member is joining, a new member is joining in your team. Okay. How you will give the permission? For example, a new team member has joined. So let me proxy this. Okay. So I will show you. Okay. Now. I will go to Admin Center. Okay. Then I will go to Tools. Then I will go to Now you can see set user permission. There is no permissions here. Can you see? Okay. Now, this is a new member in your team. And this person is not having any permission. Okay, so now how we will give the permissions to this new member? Okay, that I will show you. So if you are a super admin and if you have access to all the 5 configuration tool, how you will give the permissions, I will show you. Okay. So I will go to super admin. So here I have one super admin. Okay.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.